Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Netmind.AI token. Ticker symbol is NMT. Now this token just got listed on a very big central exchange starting today, March 5th. We're going to go over the information on the NMT token in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, March 5th. At 9 o'clock UTC time, which is already passed. This token will be listed on KCEX Global. So it is available now on KCEX. So basically, if you're looking to get the NMT token and you don't have a KCEX Global account, I do have a KCEX Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that KCEX Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search NMT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find their Twitter, the corner of the screen over there, at Netmind.AI, and it has a link to their webpage there, a link to their Telegram, their Discord, actually a full link tree. It's just going to take you anywhere you need to go. Netmind.AI is the webpage. And this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. They already have 11,197 holders. Token price is around $9.46. There is a max total supply of 11,554,366 tokens and 18 decimal places on this token, with a fully diluted market cap of around $109 million right now, so doing very well. You can find their white paper also at netmind-power.gitbook.io/white-paper. So, recent years have seen an exponential rise in the demand of high-performance computing driven by massive improvements and increased global interests in the applications of machine learning and artificial intelligence. This explosive boom has not come without its challenges, however, and as a result of this spike in demand, companies, machine learning practitioners, research institutions, and developers globally are now facing various issues such as insufficient computing power available, scattered computing resources, and high computing costs. So computing power is increasingly concentrated in the hands of the tech giants, contributing to monopolistic control on pricing, availability, and access. Small organizations and research institutions are therefore faced with prohibitive costs in development of the AI models of the future, limiting their ability to innovate and compete with larger organizations while big tech companies continue to dominate the field. To break down these barriers, we introduce Netmind Power, a decentralized computing platform developed by Netmind.AI, an AI research and software company based in London, United Kingdom, and Washington, D.C., USA. Netmind Power is a platform for machine learning and AI training, fine-tuning the inference aimed at machine learning professionals, researchers, and software developers. Netmind's mission is to create a global network of computing power for AI models by utilizing idle GPUs of users worldwide. As part of this mission, Netmind Power provides a platform for large-scale distributed computing, integrated heterogeneous computing resources globally, and leveraging grid and voluntary computing, scheduling, architecture, and load balancing technology. Netmind aims to democratize access to computing power for businesses and research institutions, making it easier and more affordable for them to develop and run their AI models through a low latency, widely connected, and easy to manage distributed deep learning training and inference platform. So they have a white paper that explores the 3 core components of Netmind's power: the training platform, the inference platform, the Netmind chain, and the token, which is the utility token for the platform. So if we scroll down to the token information on their paper here, it says Netmind token NMT is the native utility token of the Netmind chain. The total supply of NMT is 10 billion tokens. All tokens are locked in a smart contract, which will gradually unlock the tokens according to the distribution plan outlined on their white paper. Netmind token is designed to serve multiple functions within the platform, including payment for training and inference on the platform, and as rewards for users who contribute their idle GPU resources to the network. So 40% of the total supply, 4 billion tokens, is allocated as rewards for providers of computational power to the network used for training and inference. This reward is known as the Volunteer Computing Network Connection Reward. 30% of the total supply is reserved for rewarding users who participate in staking. Users can choose to stake against any mined node with an incentive to stake against the top 21 master nodes. 20% of the total supply, 2 billion tokens, is reserved for the decentralized autonomous organization community. And 10% of the total supply, 1 billion tokens, is reserved for the technical team. So they all have different locking periods too. You can check that out. So there's reward sections too. So you can get rewarded with tokens for volunteer computing network connection rewards, computational power utilization fees, sync mode, async mode. There's staking rewards, mining rewards, election and voting rights, cross-chain bridges. So if you want to learn specifically about the Netmind chain and the mine nodes and master nodes and staking and the chain protocol, all that stuff is available on their white paper as well. In their link tree, you're going to find a Discord group that you could join, Telegram, Twitter, 2 different websites. One's Netmind.AI websites, the other one's Netmind Power website. You can find all that in that link tree right there on that Twitter at Netmind.AI on Twitter, and you will find this token newly listed on KCEX Global as of today. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that KCEX Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.